Hello student, today we are going to start with security challenges which are posed by the mobile devices. In last lecture we are already discussed the things which are related to the what is mobile and wireless communication. We are also discussed the things which are related to different mobility types, that is user mobility, then session mobility, then we discuss the things which are related to the different device mobility and service mobility, section mobility. Also we discuss the things which are related to the credit card fraud. There are different ways which are available to perform the fraud, that is credit card fraud, the traditional technique, triangular techniques, and modern techniques, credit card generation, IT theft, and financial fraud. Now, security challenges which are posed by mobile devices. The mobility brings two main challenges to the cybercrime. First, on the handheld devices, information is being taken outside the physically controlled environment. Yes, exactly. We are going to buy any good through the Flipkart or any what we can say, any website. So what we are going to do, we are going to perform the transaction, but from here our detail is shared with the public or global network. And second, remote access back to the protected environment is being granted. Yes, exactly. If we are given the information, OTP detail, card details on that particular transaction interface, so what we are going to do, we are going to grant, or what we can say, that given permission to another third party to access the details. The perceptions of the organization to these cybersecurity challenges are important in devising appropriate security operating procedures. When people are asked about the importance in managing diverse range of mobile devices, they seem to be thinking of one show which are available in the figure. Yes, exactly. We are already discussed that whenever all transactions or mobility which are available at that time, technology is giving you a lots of services, but rather, on the other hand, we are using the technology, we are using the things. On the other hand, the security issue is also increasing. This is just like same as whenever darker size is increasing, same brighter size is also increasing, and vice versa. Okay, in next lecture we are going to discuss with registry settings for mobile devices. Thank you.